Khalid bin Waleed.
Khalid bin Waleed. The Prophet ﷺ called him one of the swords of Allah drawn against kuffars. He took part in 1,000 of battles. Today, the person who took part in 50 MMA tournaments is exalted as the one who did something incredible. It is surely an achievement in sports, and we don't want to understate the achievement. But you just imagine the person who took part in 1,000 of battles, how much hard working such person should have been on the way of Allah. And he did not fight in the presence of judges. He fought to death. And also imagine Khalid bin Waleed radiallahu anhu, the person who took part in 1,000 of battles, who had more than 80 battle wounds, each of which could be mortal, dying in bed and calling to Allah with words, "Oh Allah, how much I wanted to die in jihad and the battle, but I'm dying here in my bed." On hearing this, the companions responded him, "Oh Khalid, don't you understand? That day when the Prophet ﷺ called you one of the swords of Allah, your future was predicted. It is impossible for you to die in the battlefield. If kuffars kill you in the battle, it would mean that they broke the sword of Allah. You are not the person to die in the battle." The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ gave names which precisely corresponded to persons.